Answer the following question in short. What is chemistry? You have to write the definition of chemistry from page number 1. In page number 1, definition of chemistry written. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of structure, composition and properties of substance and the changes which the substance undergo. You have to write this definition. Next questions. Name 4 items of daily use which have been made using knowledge of chemistry. Soap and detergent, cosmetics, plastics, cell phones. These are the items, daily use items we use by knowledge of chemistry. Next question. What is the difference between inorganic chemistry and organic chemistry? You have to write from page number 2. Inorganic chemistry means study about non-living materials like rock, soil, atmosphere. Organic chemistry means we have to write the study about the living things. Okay, and you have to write the differences by writing the definition of inorganic chemistry and the definition of organic chemistry, examples of inorganic chemistry and examples of organic chemistry. Okay. Next, what is Bunsen burner used for? Bunsen burner, that is page number 11. Written Bunsen burner use. Bunsen burner is used to heat substance in a laboratory. It is connected to a gas supply unit. Next, why chemistry is called central science? Page number 3. Page number 3. Central science. The importance of chemistry in daily life presents itself in a number of different important ways such as medicine, engineering, biology, manufacturing, geology, economics. So chemistry is called a central science. Next, state importance of chemistry in agriculture. Page number 4. Page number 4, importance of chemistry in agriculture written. For fertilizers, insecticides, fungicides, herbicides. You have to write these 4. Name the 5 main branches of chemistry and mention one scope of each. You have to write main branch is page number 1. Main branches are there, different branches are there. You have to write any 5 branches and their scope written here. For example, analytical chemistry, you have to write this. What is use of analytical chemistry? You have to write biochemistry, then what is biochemistry? Next, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry. So you have to write at least 5 branches of chemistry. What are the safety rules that are to be followed in chemistry laboratory? Chemistry laboratory, these are the safety rules. You have to write at least 5 points. At least 5 points. Follow all written and verbal instruction carefully. Never work alone in the laboratory. Always wear a lab coat, goggles and gloves in the laboratory. When first entering a science room, do not touch any equipments, chemicals or other materials in the laboratory area until you are instructed to do so. So you have to write at least 5 points and perform only those experiments given by your teacher. Number 4. What is the contribution of chemistry in the following fields? First, cosmetics. Cosmetics, page number 5. Page number 5. Here written, cosmetics are substance or product used to enhance or alter the appearance or fragrance of the body. Talcum powder made from mineral called talc, which is composed of magnesium, silicon and oxygen. You have to write this. Next, chemicals. Next, chemicals. Chemicals means chemicals are used to perform various diagnostic tests such as blood test, urine test, and chemicals like aspartame is the most successful and most widely used artificial sweetener by diabetic patients. You have to write these chemicals. Next, medicine. Medicine written in hospital, medicines, antiseptic and disinfectants made up of chemicals are used for curing patient. Examples medicine like penicillin, tetracycline, ampicillin, paracetamol, aspirin are used to treat infection. Food and agriculture. Food, like its flavor, smell, color, preservative and processing, and some method of food preservative like canning, freezing, drying, fermenting, pickling and sealing. And from agriculture you have to write insecticide, fungicides, any 2 points you have to write. Next, number 5. Write some historical fact when alchemists attempted to convert cheap metal to gold. Page number 2. Page number 2. Alchemists believed that they could refine base metals such as iron into precious metals such as gold if they could just find the mythical substance they called philosopher's stone. The philosopher's stone they searched for was not an actual rock. Instead, it was supposedly a magical wax, liquid or powder that could heal ailments and prolong life, as well as change base metal into precious metals. You have to write this. So, alchemist to precious metals. You have to write. Next, think critically. State the functions of the following apparatus. Functions you have to write. Beaker, the function of beaker. Written here. Beaker is a glass container used for holding and measuring small quantity of liquid. Next, measuring cylinder. Measuring cylinder is used for measuring volume of liquids. Retort. Retort is a glass apparatus used in distillation experiments. Flask. Flask is a glass container used to store or heat liquid substances. Next, test tube. Test tube is a small tube used to heat small quantity of liquid or mix different liquids. Next, diagram based questions. You have to write the name of the following apparatus and we have to write the functions of each apparatus. First apparatus name is flask. Already written flask, that is 3 type of flask. That flask is called conical flask. Okay, conical flask is used for mixing of different solutions. You have to write. First you have to write the name of the apparatus conical flask and then function you have to write. It is used for mixing different solution. Next, behave. This figure name you have to write behave self, written here. Behave self, and it is used for collecting gases by the downward displacement of water. Next, this figure name wire gauge, written here. You have to write the name and function. Wire gauge, you have to write the name wire gauge, and the function you have to write it helps to spread the flame uniformly. Next, this is this figure. You have to write the figure name, that is thistle funnel. Thistle funnel is a long glass tube and it is used to allow entry of reactant into a flask. You have to write the name and the function. Okay, now we completed the chapter 1 exercise. From next class we start chapter 2, elements, compound and mixtures. Thank you.